First one will be customers increasingly embracing the non-voice channels. For example, digital channels like Facebook, Twitter, internet, and stuff like that. So customers expect an effortless and a pain-free interaction with your organizations. So they expect, for example, that it doesn't require a lot of effort for them to conduct business with your organization. They expect that interaction to be pain-free. Third one I'm seeing is that customers expecting a lot of personalized and proactive service. And by personalized means that they expect you already have all their information. They already expect that you know about them, their preferences, what they like, what they don't like. So that's their preference. And proactive is that anticipate what they need ahead of time rather than wait for them to tell you what they want. One is a heightened and increase in customer expectations. I think with the new generation where people look for instant gratification, so customer experience becomes more challenging. Customer expectations are heightened. It has always been that way. People always expect great customer service, but I would say that increasingly it has become a lot more demanding and more heightened. The other trend obviously is technological advancement, the proliferation of internet and mobile devices. So because of all the proliferation of all these devices, right, has resulted into the ability for organizations to leverage on technological advances as a driver of customer experience. Technology obviously is a key enabler, but it is only an enabler. I think there are obviously many other factors in there. Things like training, internal processes, culture, service culture. I think having a multi-channel strategy is an important starting point, but it is by no means sufficient to deliver an end-to-end customer experience. And what I mean by that, for example, if the company is still having silo channels, right? For example, they still have internet that is independent from the voice channel, that is independent from the mobile banking channel. So if you have still silos that are operating independently, then you can't call that end-to-end customer experience. Another example, if there is no context-based information, somebody who has just ring you on a call center and at the same time sending you an email and you have no information at all, in other words, no context information, then you can't claim to have an end-to-end customer experience. The ability to deliver consistent customer service across all these multiple channels is an important step in delivering true end-to-end customer experience. If I look at it, today customers' experiences is disconnected. They span multiple touch points, probably multiple departments, and then this customer journey sometimes pause and then they resume, and then they pause again and then they resume, right? I guess the challenge today is for companies to design an optimal end-to-end customer journey that will benefit both the customer itself and the organizations.